AI is a type of computer technology that can think and act like a human. And think like a human. AI is understand your words and new discoveries on maths, arts, and science. AI is helps us in explore new space, and AI is all around us, and it's making the world a better place. That's all.
Sorry, dear, but I'm not agree with you. AI privacy issues are also a concern. AI needs a lot of data, which can lead privacy problems, which can cause harm individual organization as a society whole, and can impact to that. So it is very dangerous for the future.
Excuse me, dear, I'm not agree with your point. You said that AI is dangerous for the future, but I don't agree with your point. The danger is not AI. The danger is misuse. With proper rules and regulations, the AI is very beneficial for us. That's it.
Excuse me, dear, listen me that AI can replace the human jobs, and many tasks completed by humans are now replaced by machines, leading to unemployment.
Excuse me, dear, I'm not agree to your point. AI access in very problems such as climate change and understanding how different medicines work together here. That's all. Excuse me, dear. I have an objection with your point because there are many disadvantages of AI. AI could increase the gap between the rich and the poor. AI could increase unemployment in low-skilled jobs. AI systems are vulnerable to hacking and cyber attacks. AI-driven decision may lack human empathy and understanding. AI could not understand cultural nuisance, which can lead to misunderstandings. Today, children use mobile phones very much, which is harmful for them and their health. Many businesses are in danger.
Objection to your point. Artificial intelligence is very useful in our daily life. It saves time by doing work quickly and reduce human errors.
Sorry, dear, but I'm not agree with you. Students become lazy because of AI. Students take help to complete their work from AI. They do not practice to complete their work by their own self.
Excuse me, dear. Students become lazy because of AI. AI does not become students lazy. It promotes us smart learning, hard working, and human intelligence are still necessary.
Excuse me, dear. AI cannot think creatively like humans. It works only on the given
Excuse
data.
me, dear, I'm not agree with your point. AI is used in many fields such as voice assistants like Siri and Alexa. It makes our life easier day by day. That's it. I am not obsessed with your point because my opinion is AI is not good for us. It harm us in many ways. Many businesses are in danger because people buy products from the online websites, not from markets. So this is not good for us. That's it.
Excuse me, dear, I'm not agree to your point. AI help doctors to find illness such as cancer, future health risk, and AI also take treatment properly for patients in hospital. Safe. That's it.
Sorry, dear, but I'm not agree with you. Dependence on AI grows. Humans, AI replace human jobs. Humans become less skilled because of AI. So AI is not good for humans.
Okay, but every person has two faces that we use. Then we use the AI. We are totally favor of the AI, and we are misuse the AI. We are totally against to the AI. So I'm in the favor of
Listen
AI.
me, dear, that AI have no emotion. It can't understand human feelings, and that's all.
Excuse me, dear, I'm not agree with your point. AI is used in many fields such as voice assistants like Siri and Alexa. AI is very useful for us. AI makes our life easier day by day. That's it. I'm not saying that you are wrong, but I'm saying that your opinion is little wrong because there are many disadvantages of AI. It is not every time good for us because AI-driven decision may lack human empathy and nuisance. And AI does not understand. I am objection to your point. Some people argue that AI causes an employment, but I believe it creates new opportunities, demands, and new skill, etc. That's all.
Excuse me, dear. I said that developing and maintaining AI system is very expensive.
Excuse me, dear. AI take many tools for people with disability and can help everybody to get knowledge more easy. That's all.
Thank you so much, guys.